I'm Senna Sober, and make sure you're watching Eddie Vision TV. Make sure you like, subscribe, and watch this page. Wicked.
Greetings, sports fans. Welcome back to Eddie Vision TV, the channel where we look at sports differently. I'm your host, Eddie Gona. Alright, well, people, it seems as if maybe down the line, potentially, we'll be losing another player to England. But before I get into that, let's talk a little bit about Kaheim Dixon. Alright, first of all, congrats to young Kaheim Dixon. He made his first appearance in the first team for Charlton Athletic. They got a 2-1 victory over Cambridge United. He was on the bench. Unfortunately for him, he didn't get a chance to make his full senior debut, but once you start making the bench, that's all that matters. Sooner or later he will get his break. So good to see Dixon making the bench. Whatever he's doing, it's working. He's training well, and he got his chance. And in quick time, didn't take long for him to get his first team call up. So we look for him to make his first team debut pretty soon. So big up to Kaheim Dixon. Keep on grinding, keep on doing the good work. Alright, so going back to the losing the player argument. This time, young attacking midfielder Nico O'Reilly was born in Manchester. Height 1.93 meters. As you can see here, citizen of England. And you see the big bad Jamaica flag below, which means he's obviously eligible to represent England or Jamaica. So attacking midfielder, he prefers the left foot, and as you can see, Manchester City U21. He joined the club July 2023. Contract ends June 30th, 2024, and that contract has been extended or renewed because, to the shock of many, Pep is impressed with the youngster, and Pep sees him as a first team player. Yes, a first team player. Just 19 years old, born March 21st, 2005. Pep sees the good in young O'Reilly. He played a lot of minutes in the preseason for Manchester City, scored goals, got assists, got another appearance in the Community Shield, did well there as well. Has not made his debut in the EPL thus far, but the good thing, he has made 2 bench. So 2 bench appearances. 2 times he has made the bench for Manchester City. And as I said before, Pep really rate this youngster and want him to be a part of the first team. But as you know, Manchester City has a lot of quality, a lot of depth. So it will be very, very, very difficult for him to break through. He will get minutes in certain competitions every now and then. But the likes of the Fodens and the Bernardo Silva, KDB, the midfield era is stacked. Gundogan. So it's going to be difficult, but Pep rate him, and we see the emergence of Cole Palmer under Pep. He was getting minutes prior to him making the switch to Chelsea. He was getting minutes. Young just to see him. came up through the ranks. So could young Nico O'Reilly be the next Cole Palmer? That's something we definitely have to look out for. But why a touch on Jamaica might be losing this player? We can go back a little bit to the U20s. And prior to the U20 tournament and prior to John Wall getting the sack, John Wall was actually recruiting young Nico O'Reilly. Yes, he was recruiting him and wanted him in the setup, but the quota, he was hit with the quota argument. Too many overseas players in the squad. So I guess that's the main reason why Nico O'Reilly did not make his debut for Jamaica at the U20 level. So will he then join the senior team later on when he gets a lot better, when he starts to make waves in the Premier League? So these are the things we're looking at. JFF messing up. Not don't want to call them out all the time, but the hierarchy and the structure and the system that they put in place with the quota will miss out on players. Simple put, because you're denying certain players. So if those players are world beaters, we will suffer from that. If they're not, well, fine. We can make it up in other areas. But to see a player like Nico O'Reilly that has the potential and the promise, Pep rates him highly, and Pep don't really trust people a whole lot. So Pep really rate him, and to see Pep, willing to have him in his first team, try to squeeze him in, shows a lot and shows the potential of this youngster. Big up to John Wall as well, showing the vision, and it's a pity, I thought he was doing a good job, trying to improve the pool of youngsters and trying to get the best possible talent. Have them playing together, improving, growing, and ready to matriculate into the senior Reggae Boyz team. But John Wall is no more. The wall came crashing down, and with it, Nico O'Reilly. What are your thoughts on this, Reggae Boy fans? Did the JFF make another mistake? Should we really get rid of the quota system ASAP? Let me know in the comment section below. Do you rate Nico O'Reilly, or have you seen him play? Drop the comments below. I'm Eddie Guna. Thanks for watching, and always remember to like, share, and subscribe.